Today I got a really good question from Nikki. I need help making the right repairs to my home before we sell, so we can maximize our home's value. I don't know what to do. And that's a great question, because you shouldn't know what to do. You only sell your house once every 2, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20 years, right? And that's exactly why you should be calling me and asking me this question. It's important that you work with somebody that has that knowledge and is going to be able to help you prepare your home and has a team of people to help prepare your home in the right way so that you can maximize your home's value. I've seen it too many times where you don't get the right advice or you don't get any advice at all, and you get your house on the market and you don't receive maximum value. You don't get every penny that you deserve to get out of that house. Now, that takes a lot of experience, it takes a lot of knowledge, and it takes a really good team, which is what I've been spending 17 years of my life to assemble for not only myself as a real estate investor, for also for Nikki and for you, because I want you to be able to maximize every dollar out of your house. Now, if you want to know how to do that, hit me up. I'm happy to come over, take a look at your house, and let you know what are the different strategies I would do to maximize the value out of your home, because you deserve it. So hit me up, ask questions, contact me. I'm here to help.